Alright, welcome. In this video, we're going to go over how to solve a log equation. And so I'll get you some steps here. The first step is you want to isolate the log, or in this case, we got to write it as one log, I guess, would be another way to say this, right? As a single log. So we're going to need our log properties from the other day. Next step is to switch forms. All right, so again, that's the key, is being able to switch it to the other form. So in this case, we're going to switch it to exponential form. And then the final step is to just kind of solve with algebra steps. Okay, so here we go. So the log properties from the other day is, if this is a plus between them, then we want to take and we want to multiply the two things that are written there. All right, if it was a minus between them, we divide the two, but because it's a plus, according to the log properties, we're going to write this as a single log of 12 times x equals 3. All right, and so now the switch form parts of this, in log form looks like this. The little number down here is the base, and since log means find exponent, the exponent's on this side of the equal sign, and then the other number is called the value. All right, and then the other form looks like this, where you have your base is the number down here, and the little number up top is called the exponent, and then that equals the value. All right, so for us, we have a base of 10. It's kind of that invisible 10, and then this thing over here is our exponent. So I always do the base first, exponent of 3, and then equals our value, which is 12 times x. All right, and I think, again, that's really the critical part, is to understand these two forms and switch them. So again, the base is here, the exponent's here. So in the other form, base exponent, power and then exponent, base and then exponent equals 12x. All right, and then from here, it's hopefully pretty straightforward. 10 to the third, you can just do that in your calculator. It's 10 times 10 times 10. And then the final step is just to divide by 12. So we're going to divide both sides by 12. All right, and we probably need the calculator here. So let's see if I can bring it up for us. It doesn't quite fit, but so I'm going to do 1,000 divided by 12. And so it's about 83.3. 83.3. Okay, and that is how you solve a log equation.